Do you want to know the best companion plants for tomatoes? Welcome to the world of companion planting, a gardening secret that boosts your tomato yield and shields them from pests. We're delving into the top 5 companion plants for tomatoes today. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 companion plants that will make your tomato plants thrive like never before. First on our list is basil, a wonderful companion for tomatoes. This versatile herb repels pesky insects and enhances the flavor of tomatoes. To plant, simply place basil seeds or transplants near your tomatoes. That's why basil is a must-have in your tomato garden. Next up is the vibrant marigold, a powerful ally for your tomatoes. Known for its ability to deter nematodes and other garden pests, the marigold is an essential companion for healthy tomatoes. With marigold, you'll have fewer pests and more delicious tomatoes. Our third companion plant is none other than the humble carrot. Carrots are great partners for tomatoes. They break up the soil, making it easier for tomato roots to spread, while the tomato plants provide a nice shade for the carrots. So remember, carrots and tomatoes are a match made in garden heaven. Fourth on our list is garlic, a fantastic companion for your tomatoes. Garlic wards off pests with its strong scent, keeping your tomato plants healthy. Plus, it can subtly improve the flavor of your tomatoes. Garlic not only enhances your cuisine, but also your tomato plants. Last but not least, meet borage, a true friend to tomatoes. This blue-flowered herb is a champion at warding off pesky tomato hornworms and cabbage worms. Plus, it enriches the soil with trace minerals. With borage in your garden, your tomatoes will be healthier, and the pests will be fewer. So, there you have it, the top 5 companion plants for tomatoes. Basil, marigold, carrots, garlic, and borage, each bringing unique benefits to your tomato plants. Companion planting truly is nature's way of nurturing its own. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!